Hey everybody, it's Mindy, and I'm pretty sure I know what's in this package. Let me open it up real quick. Just by the feel of it, I'm pretty sure I know what it is. And then I'll tell you the story behind how I got it. But let's see. Use my handy dandy knife here from Melly. Let's see. I'm almost through. I don't think there's any paintings right here. No. Okay, there. Let's see. Yes. Okay. Let me tell you what this is. This is This is GBFKE. All right. This is what the deal is. When you saw one of my videos that had the bookmark and the bookmark had the letters on it, right? I emailed and I said, I showed some pictures and I said, the bookmark has some letters on it. I'm afraid are going to show when you complete it. Is there a different one or something? He's like, oh, yeah. So sorry. He said, you order another one and we'll send it right out to you. I'm like, okay. So I went and I picked out a different bookmark. I didn't want to get the same one because somebody else already got it and it had the letters on it too. So I picked a different bookmark. So he sends me confirmation that he's sending me the bookmark. And this. Yeah, I didn't pay for any of it. Okay, this was my replacement bookmark and he sent me out more product to show you. Thank you. Thank you so much. So here's another, let's see what, I didn't pick these, mind you. They picked them, he sent them. We'll see what he sends. I've seen an email. I kind of know what they are. So we'll see what we get. Anyhow, here's my new bookmark. Like I said, I chose a completely different kind. Toolkit, everything you need. My pretty tassel. There's the pretty tassel. And here's the new bookmark. Oh, look it. That one's pretty. It's kind of like a sideways mandala, half a mandala, something like that. I don't know. Looks really pretty. It looked really, really pretty in the picture. Pretty colors. I think I like it. Yeah. So here's our drills that come with it. Our rhinestones. Oh, those are champagne teardrops. A bigger blue. A clear teardrop. A red teardrop. Lots of specials in this. Holy smokes. We got the marquee, these big orange ones, red ovals, and only 4 rhinestones. Nice. I told you I thought this would be pretty. It's got a lot of specials. That'll be cool. All right, so that's my replacement bookmark. No letters on it. It looks awesome. Yay. I'm excited. I have a different bookmark. Yay. Now, let's get into what he sent. All right. Let's look at this first. You can probably tell what this is right now, although that's upside down. There you go. There's the directions. You can already guess what it is, right? I know, it's a light, right? Cartoon LED diamond painting light. Okay. I love doing these lights. I just finished one for Smashing the Specials. I did the lighthouse. I love these. These are so cute. All right, so my box is kind of coming apart. Which one is it? Which one is it? Which one is it? Is that everything? That's everything. I'll get some tape my box together until I make this one. Maybe I'll be able to fit it in for Smashing the Specials. Again, your basic toolkit. We got some baggies, wax, pen, green boat, and our drills. This is the one that it is. I'm not going to open this. This little bag sticking out right here has got to be the covers for the lights. But look at it. Look at that one. I've seen it a million times, right? And I never got it, but isn't it pretty? It looks like it's going to be rhinestones and a few specials. That's my guess right there. Pretty flowers. Look at the cute little ladybug. Very pretty flowers. These lights are cool. You guys, if you haven't done one of these lights, they're really pretty neat. There's different kinds. I have a different type that has LED lights around the rim, but cute, right? Cute. Yeah. So, I mean, here's our drills. They're pretty basic. I'm looking at the sunshine going, can I get my recording done so I can go outside? I think these are our specials. Oh, pretty. They're purple. Purple marquee. Yeah, those are pretty. Purple marquee. And our rhinestones. Lots of colors. Clear. 2 greens. 2 reds. This is a reddish pink between these guys. Pink. A gold yellow and a light yellow. Nice. Very pretty. Thank you. I like it. Good choice. Good choice. All right. What else do we have? I can't even tell you how long this took. It wasn't very long. It really wasn't. I mean, I could go back and I could look at the other video even, but... And, ooh, this one's heavy. It's a heavy one. All right, how do we open this to not, destroy anything? It's right up to the edge. Don't want to wreck the canvas. I'm surprised for such a small package how heavy this one is. And you know what? At this moment, oh, I remember. No, that's that one. I don't remember this one. What is this one? I know what that one is over there. I don't currently remember what this one is. I got so much stuff coming in, you guys. And a lot of it is stuff that people are sending me to show and review for you. Oh, unbox. And oh, that's why it's heavy. These are both big. All right. Okay, it goes this way. This is an 80 by 30, folks. 80 by 30. Okay, I already love it. I'll just tell you right now. I already love it. Why? Look at the colors. Look at the pinks and blues, purples, whatever. I already love it just because of the colors. All right, let's unroll and unroll and unroll. Those are butterflies, sun. Oh my goodness, this is pretty. We got peacocks. There's a peacock. Now I remember it. Yep. Flowers, 1 peacock, flowers and butterflies and whatnot. It's long. Okay, so it's not going to be 80 by 30. It's not, you can't even hardly see it right. Let's see. How's that? Is that better? That's better. The big peacock in the middle. It's a full drill. It's full coverage. Okay, my guess is this is probably 25. This is maybe 70. I don't know. Yeah. I don't have my tape measure. I didn't really think to measure these. I just know that with these, they're not always this size listed here. That will be the full canvas size. The drill area is going to be a little smaller. But it's still a big, big long canvas. Wide, it's wide. This is gorgeous right here, the purples and blues, and then you move into the reds and greens and yellows over there. Super pretty, right? Super, super pretty. All right, here is our legend over here, our key. Look, it goes all the way down the whole side. Look at the symbols, numbers, letters, a few symbols. Anything confusing? I don't think so. They look pretty clear, look good. I love these canvases. They're all poured glue, and look at the symbols. Look at the clarity of those symbols. Everything is just super easy to read. Let's go to a dark area. What do you think on the dark area? I see arrows, asterisks, L's, everything easily deciphered. Yeah, so pretty. So pretty. I like it. Okay, you're doing a good job. You must know me. You must know me pretty well. You're picking out stuff you know I'd like. Lots of flowers, peacocks. There. It had like a, I don't know, some weird air bubble right there, and it kept doing weird things. But anyhow, isn't it pretty? Okay, so this one comes with 2 toolkits. Your basic toolkits with a couple baggies. And here's our drills. Now, I don't think this one has any DMC codes. It doesn't. No DMC codes on the canvas. Sometimes you get them and the DMC's on the canvas. Sometimes they're on the drills. This one doesn't have them on either one. And that's fine. I don't need DMC codes for everything. As a matter of fact, I'm kind of at the point where I only keep certain DMCs now. And that is if I don't have them already. Because I have so many. I'm not keeping all of them anymore. Look at, oh my goodness, the colors are beautiful. This is like a rainbow of colors. All right, peach, rust, burgundy, blue, red, blue, gray, and gray. Are they the same? Yep, 12. They're the same. Orange, orange, green, red, more grays. My guess is these are the same, these two. Yep, 7. Another gray. Black, probably. Looks like black. Blue, blue. Beautiful colors, you guys. 38.19. Maybe. And there's another small strip here. Has white, tan. This is a beautiful yellow right there. Love that. Look at these turquoise. Look at that one. And then a darker version. Oh, we know what this color is. It's the bluish white. Love that one. It's so pretty. 2 bags of those. A light pink, mauve, and a rusty orange color. So pretty. Okay, you did a good job with that one. I like that one. All right. Like the light, like this. You guys, awesome, right? Awesome. Yeah. Okay. So then we got one more. He threw in one more. And this one is special drills. Oh, it's kind of a little wonky. Kind of got banged up in the bag a bit. Nice thing is they're poured glue. There's no tape to mess up, right? So we don't have to worry about messed up tape. And I think, let's just empty this out. Let's see if I can even roll it a different direction. See if we can kind of get some of the folds and creases out of it a little bit. It will be fine. Yeah, look, it's already kind of looking better. Look, see? Let's leave it like that for a minute, okay? I'll stick it under my arm. Another basic toolkit. Okay. I really, honestly, I never know what to do with all the boats and stuff and the waxes. I have so much wax, I don't need it. The pens I saved for my pen making friends, but anyhow. And here's our drills. There's a bunch of them. Oh, look at those. Oh, man. Look. Oh, wow. 2 bags of them. Look at 2 bags. Seriously. Love them. Those are cool. Love them. Okay. Let's see how this will do for us now. Let's see if it'll lay down. This is a big one. I like these. You'll see what I mean when I show it to you. Okay. It's done better. It's not great, but it's done better. You know what? Hang on. You kind of just saw it already, didn't you? The folds kind of want to go this way. Let's see what happens if we do this. The plastic is what's given us some issues. It will lay flat. It might need an iron. We'll see. All right, here we go. Look at the color. Wow. Look at the color in that. These are 40 by 50. They're pretty true to size, the 40 by 50s. These with the frames around them. At first, I didn't like the pictures with the frames. This one, you could almost cut off part of it, and I've done that before. Cut off part of it if I didn't want the whole frame. I did that to one, and it worked. But look at that beautiful butterfly. Okay, you know, you guys know me well. Flowers, butterflies. Okay, do you watch my channel a lot? I mean, what? Anyhow, that's gorgeous, right? Gorgeous. Look at all these special. I don't know where all those peacocky things go. Probably around these flowers, right? That's going to be beautiful. It has a legend over here. There's 15 different shapes and rhinestones. And it's over here as well. And here's the picture of it. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. It's going to be beautiful. Good thing I'm smashing the specials. Do you think I can fit that in? Not at the rate I'm going. I'm not going very fast, guys. Not getting much done. And today, since my hubby is off doing stuff with my dad, I'm like making video after video after video while I have, wow, look at those. Those are fantastic. Love them. Love them. Yep, that's number 15. It is going to be around the flowers, around the flowers, around all the flowers. Wow, you would have thought it was a peacock with those, but it's just petals for all the flowers. That's awesome. Awesome. All right, so we got some rhinestones. We got a lot of rhinestones. Well, we have less rhinestones than we have specials. Watch. Deep, dark garnet. Gold. A bright blue. A green. A purple. That's your rhinestones, folks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags of rhinestones. That's it. Then you get a larger green, a larger orange, a larger purple. Okay. A larger clear. These are the same. This one and this one. Oh, here's my friends. Oh, goodness. Here's my friends. The red slivers. Where in the world are red slivers going to go? Where, oh, where, oh, where? Normally they pop right out at me because they usually make flowers or... I'm not seeing them right now. Oh, yep, here we go. Like I said, they usually make flowers. Okay. They use the slivers to make the flowers. Look, I can't see it. Hang on. Flower, flower, flower. Sliver, sliver, sliver. Slivers here. That's what they do. They use these slivers to make flowers. And they make all the petals. There's more up here. So that's what we got with the slivers. And we have them in 2 colors. Red and gold slivers. I just use my drill pen and do the best I can. If I have to adjust them, I use my pointy tweezers. I have never had these. These are beautiful. Those are pink, clear teardrops. Love those. Some oh my goodness, marquees. And then look at that, a bunch of gold stars. I get a gold star today. Yay, I must have done a good job. Oh, wow. This is gorgeous. And I didn't know they were sending it until he was like, hey, here's your order, here's your bookmark. And in my order was like 3 other items. I was like, okay, thank you. Thank you so much. So here's what they sent me that I didn't know was coming. The light, the butterfly, and of course the beautiful peacock back here, the big long peacock. Yeah, oh boy, big long peacock. Thank you, GBFKE. And yeah, you guys go check out their store. You know, people have said, I don't know why, like this one comes with white drills and this came with that. Well, you know, I don't know this for sure. I haven't asked, but my guess is they get things from different distributors, different manufacturers, and they're finding the products that they like and they want to have in their store, and that's, you know, that's what we get. So that's what I have for you today for this video. Thank you again. I will try to link these for you and go check them out. They got just tons and tons and tons of stuff and pretty quick delivery. So check them out. Thanks for watching, you guys. I'm going to continue on with my day, make the rest of my videos, and try to get it done before my husband gets home. Yeah. So thanks for watching, subscribing, liking, sharing, becoming a member, all those things that you guys do to support my channel. I'm just going to keep plugging away here. Okay. Until next time, have a wonderful day. Stop and smell the roses, or the flowers, or the petunias, or the dogwoods, or the whatever we got. Enjoy it, guys. And I'll talk to you next time.